boiling. It's bubbles. Water boiling in a plastic jug. This only happens
You are
in
Carrie
Ireland.
from Mythbusters.
Another cup there?
It's funny you say that because Facebook, have you ever heard of Doppelganger Week on Facebook? Yeah, that was, I used her as my picture.
Yeah, sorry, I was talking to you.
Oh, that's why you said it. That makes more sense then. Now it's just not a weird coincidence, thanks. I got chills. They're multiplying.
Doppelganger. I'm the one and only.
Yeah, hold on.
Is it okay to burn this cardboard on fire?
Yeah. Oh, is that the last of the orange juice?
Oh, have some. You can have more than that.
It's alright, I just wanted to sip.
So you're gonna get a plastic bottle, did you?
I did not. Do we have sugar and milk?
Where do we get these broads?
Thank you.
Regina, do you want tea?
I cannot work in the office. It's all of course did in 38 seconds. That's for non-fat, double tall espresso.
They don't say low fat, they say skinny.
Yeah. Although I do have a cool name instead of average to make it sound fancy for the size. You could say average.
Just a little. That's good. Thank you.
Got milk? The slogan that in 1991 boosted milk sales back to their original. Seriously, true story. Stop filming me. You ain't paparazzi.